In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Coinbase Wallet to Rarible. If you're looking to browse, collect, or list NFTs on Rarible, you'll first need to connect a crypto wallet, and Coinbase Wallet is a great non-custodial option. I'll walk you through the connection flow so it's clear and straightforward, and I'll share a few simple tips to keep things smooth and secure. Start by opening your browser and heading to rarible.com lol. Always take a quick moment to verify the URL and the lock icon in your address bar so you know you're on the official site. This helps protect you from lookalike pages that try to capture wallet information. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner and click Login. Depending on your screen size, it might also appear as Sign In. This opens a panel showing the available wallet options you can use to access Rarible. From the list, choose Coinbase Wallet. Note that this is the standalone wallet made by Coinbase, not a sign-in with an exchange account. If you're on a desktop browser with the Coinbase Wallet extension installed, you'll see a prompt from the extension. If you're on mobile and have the Coinbase Wallet app, Rarible will hand off to the app so you can continue there. Either way, the site is simply asking the wallet to identify you and request permission to connect. Next, you'll be asked whether you want to create a new wallet or you already have a wallet. If you already use Coinbase Wallet, select that option and confirm the connection. Your wallet may ask which account to use and show a brief permission screen, followed by a simple signature request that proves you own the address. This signature doesn't cost gas, it's just a way to authenticate. If you're brand new to Coinbase Wallet, choose the Create option and follow the guided setup inside the wallet. Be sure to store your recovery phrase privately and never share it with anyone. Once setup is complete, return to Rarible and approve the connection when prompted. After a successful connection, you should see your wallet address or profile icon appear at the top right of Rarible. That's your confirmation that you're in and ready to explore. If a prompt doesn't appear, check for blocked pop-ups, ensure your wallet app or extension is up to date, and refresh the page. And that's it. Go to Rarible, click Login, pick Coinbase Wallet, and choose to create a new wallet or use your existing one. You're now connected and ready to discover, buy, and list NFTs with Coinbase Wallet on Rarible.